so I'm excited. More carrots. Do. Oh, I have flippies, dude. I'm a carrot.
Scare you?
Dude, no, I'm a carrot.
Guys,
Dude,
comment down below if any of my things scare you.
Touchdown coming lost. Alright, yes. And then the wheelie, dude. I'm gonna speed it. So he's gonna try to go the fastest that he can. Started. No, already started. So look at this leaf. This leaf. Well, you guys can't see the leaf, but now this is the leaf I was talking about. So I don't know if he's gonna put merch down, but if it is, we're gonna put that leaf in.
Guys, comment down below if you're a Logan.
He is weird, dude. He subscribed to Logan Paul. So if you're watching this video, dude, great job. I just didn't subscribe to him because I don't like him. But if you're watching this video, that happens sometimes, dude. Look.
How am I weird? I subscribed to you before. How is that weird?
Don't tell him what I said.
Just filming somebody else.
No, I'm filming you. Look at your beautiful face.
Filming him.
No.
So guys, were you filming the leaf?
Yep.
So guys,
A wheelie?
that was the stuff. Now let's try to do a wheelie.
Tournaments and now the wheelie. Guys, hashtag down below if you think I should try to start a YouTube channel. And if I do,
Let me try this.
hit that bell, slap that like button, and also smash that subscribe button better than a professional boxer. That's hard, dudes.
This is not gonna be a jump. This is gonna be a wheelie test.
And with Quinn, same. Do the exact same thing. It's dark. I don't know if you guys can see this, but he says it's staying darkened. So, guys, I'm gonna end the video soon. So subscribe, like, and hit that bell on Quinn's video. And remember, hashtag Jack if you think I should start a YouTube channel. And if I do, you know what to do. You also hit that subscribe button as well as Quinn. Hit that like button as well as Quinn. And put on the bell for his notifications like Quinn.
Sorry guys, I couldn't do a wheelie. But if
you guys like this video, hit that like button and slap that subscribe and hit that bell so you get notifications from him every single day. Sorry, you guys, for following.
I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Good.